and welcome back to TechInsight Daily. In today's video, we have some exciting news to share with you about YouTube's latest game changer. The world's favorite video streaming platform is taking a giant leap towards making video creation accessible to everyone. That's right. YouTube has just unveiled its brand new video editing app called YouTube Create. Stick around to learn all about this revolutionary app that's set to transform the way we create and share videos. YouTube is on a mission to empower aspiring creators, and they're doing it with YouTube Create. This free mobile app, currently in beta on Android, is designed to simplify and streamline the video production process. No more barriers to entry. YouTube Create is your gateway to bringing your creative visions to life. What makes YouTube Create stand out? Let's dive into some of its incredible features. With precision editing trimming, automatic captioning, voiceover, and seamless transitions, YouTube Create ensures your videos are top-notch, whether they're short and snappy or longer masterpieces. Plus, creators can now choose from a library of royalty-free music, complete with beat-matching technology, similar to what you'd find on TikTok. YouTube listened to the community. They consulted with around 3,000 creators to shape YouTube Create into what it is today. And guess what? They're committed to improving it further with additional features and functionality over time. It's a tool built by creators, for creators. But that's not all. YouTube is taking things even further with the experimental feature, Dream Screen. Imagine being able to add AI-generated video or image backgrounds to your shorts just by typing an idea into a prompt. It's a game changer. Google CEO Sundar Pichai himself made the announcement, and we can't wait to see how creators utilize this exciting feature. There you have it, folks. YouTube Create and Dream Screen are set to revolutionize the way you create and share your content. With a user-friendly app like YouTube Create, video production has never been easier, and Dream Screen adds a touch of magic to your creations. Stay tuned for more updates as YouTube continues to innovate and empower creators worldwide. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TechInsight Daily for more tech news and insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.